If you want to attract native birds into your garden, plant Grevilleas. This Grevillea is called Grevillea Peaches and Cream. Flowers every day of the year, grows about 1.5 metres high and about 1.5 metres wide. I love the foliage. The colour of the foliage on this Grevillea is different to other Grevilleas. It's more lush and green. So it's absolutely beautiful. The birds will turn up every day and they'll become your friends because they come to your garden every day or twice a day. They actually become part of your family. Go quietly and gently, this one's walking around to find the next flower. Absolutely beautiful. So Grevillea Peaches and Cream. There's the flower here. Absolutely love it. Peach and cream.